my unborn child.
Black Science TV
To my
111, Osei
unborn
Kufuor, back
child.
at y'all
In
again.
case I don't make it.
I'm coming to talk about the blood. A lot of people seem to think that the blood is just some physical liquid flowing through a physical body, when that's not true. The blood is the spiritual umbilical cord, which is connected to a USB, which is the universe's systems. And in the universe's systems, just like a computer must have some type of safety, so that way a virus will not attack that computer. The universe is a holographic computer, so therefore the chemtrails that the government is spraying is viruses to attack the computer, but it has a safeguard. It has a safety downloaded in it, which is what? The sun. This is why they are spraying the chemtrails to block the sun, because the sun is the distributor of information by way of its sun rays or sunlight into certain substances within the melanated body. For an example, again, the blood. The blood is a USB. It holds information. The melanin is a USB. It holds information. So therefore, depending on the type of information that the universe is distributing to you, it causes you to evolve to a point where your mind, your brain capacity will rise up so that you can be able to delve over into other dimensions that bring back information to fragments of yourself through other people. A lot of people say they dream about babies being born. They dream about being in a casket. They dream about their mother being in a casket. Everything points back to you. Every dream that you have has nothing to do with nobody outside of yourself. It has everything to do with you. Why do I say that? Because it is created within your subconscious. Your subconscious is your own world. Everybody have a world of their own. So therefore, when you are leaving the dream world, for an example, does it still exist when you leave the dream world? The same place that you went to before coming back into your physical body, is that place still there? Of course it is. Why? Because this is a place that's created inside of your subconscious, or a place where you have been before in a past life. And so therefore you go back as a vacation every once in a while. Your subconscious brings you back. You don't ask to go back there, you have to go back there, because you are being summoned back there to actually take some information to help something evolve in your dream world, which is the reality to those people who have melanin in their biochemical structure. So therefore the sun is our safety. The sun is, you have to understand that the sun has the largest pyramid that occupies it. And we have ancestors that's living there right now as we speak, that's typing in information that is being distributed by way of the sunlight. Photosynthesis converts sunlight to energy, but energy is information. All energy is information, whether it's negative information, whether it's positive information, but information indeed. So when we are talking about sunlight, the sunlight that's being distributed to you, what it does is it communicates with certain entities within yourself, because you have many organisms which are entities or antennas that's living in you that is now intercepting things by way of the shift that's going on. Okay? Now, for an example, when you are studying a lot of the African children today that's being born, a lot of the African children today have a different type of melanin in their DNA, and they know this. Whenever there's a full moon, study the pediatric centers, study the emergency rooms, because there are a lot of children there under the age of 9 ether. A lot of melanated children will be occupying the pediatric centers on nights that there are full moons. Why? Because the full moon is the substitute mother for the child until it gets to a certain age, which is 12. The 12 disciples. This is when the 12 systems of the brain within that child starts to function. It starts to follow the Christ, which is the third eye, or the Christos, which produces the melanin, which is the master. Why? Because it has been resurrected. It was put on a cross. When I say put on a cross, I'm talking about it was shut down by way of the educational facilities, the political systems, the foods that we eat. So when you become 12, there's really nothing they can do to shut your pineal gland down. They could try. But we are becoming immune to everything that they do, to everything that they utilize to oppress us. We are becoming immune to it. So again, every thought that comes into your mind, it started at the sun.